I don't know if you can see this, but the ice is starting to show up. It's getting closer. And there's my volcano. I never looked. I always saw that spot that shadow was a tree. And that if I came out here at a different time, the shadow would be gone. It's not a tree. It's that fucking railing right there. It'll never go away. So, on with the show. I hope you can see that okay. We got a good churning. The crater has gotten smaller, which I hope that means more water pressure. The churning looks good. We got a nice aquaclastic flow going down the other side. That looks so cool. Okay. The mound is getting much bigger. I hope this isn't frozen over tomorrow. We'll see you then.